Hello friends and welcome to BISP Solutions. So let's start our session on Oracle Fusion Financials application. So yesterday I have explained you about the charts of account, segment value and manage charts of account value set. So today without any further we will start practical, because yesterday I have explained you about the theory, what is segment value, what is manage charts of account value sets. So let's start. Let's go to the application. I'll go on my project. Setup and maintenance, task list, manage implementation project, and my project name is PR_2. So today we will create fresh value set. So first we will manage the charts of account value set. Manage chart of account value sets. Click on this task. Since we are going to create, so I'll click on create. So first we are going to create the company segment. So since we have yesterday created and we were facing some issue, so today we will give the fresh name, that is PR, that is our project name, PR4, and we will create the company segment. So this is our company segment. Module will be GL. Validation type would be independent and value set character. Text maximum length 4, or I can say I can give 5. Minimum maximum value you can give according to the requirement. So company we have created. Now save and close, and I'll create the second segment after company. I will create department. Module GL, same validation independent, character, text, save and close. After department, once again I will create for the account. Okay, again I'll give the name MR4 for our account segment. If descriptions okay, the module will remain GL. Validation type independent, validate type character, text. Since it is account, so accounts can be of 5 number, 6 number, so maximum length I am giving 5 here. Save and close. So account I have created, and now I will create my project. Click on create. Now create the project segment, MR. Project. more segment we are going to create, intercompany, PR4 intercompany. GL validation type would be independent, character, text. 4. One more segment, let me create future one for future product. Feature, save includes. So we have made our segments in the value set. So now let's see, if we want to search, we can give the PR4, see our company, department, future, intercompany. What we are missing? Are we missing our account? Maybe we have not given. Okay, so let me create one more, that is PRCOUNT account, PR4 account, Control C, Control V. Actually, I think I have given name something else, so now I'm making it save and close. So now we have made our segments. Okay, so this is our PR4 account. So we have now, what we have done, we have created a segment. Now we will provide value to the segment. So now let's move to the next task, that is manage chart of account structures. Click on save and close, click on done. Manage charts of account structures. So I'll click on this. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to create the flex field, and after creating the flex field, we are going to provide the sequence to our segments. So this sequence will work when we will make the accounts combination. So that is why we are going to create the sequence. So first, for that we need to create the flex field. Search and create the flex field. We have already made one, but yesterday it was showing error. Today it has deployed, but once again for explanation I am making another charts of account structure, and today again we are going to deploy it. See, since it has deployed the yesterday field, deployed the yesterday field. Yesterday it is deployed. Actually, yesterday it was not deploying, but today when I have opened, it is showing the deployment status is done. So we cannot make the another PR3. Okay, so our task is done, our half work is done. Now what we are going to do is, yesterday we have created the segment. Okay, let me show you the segment also. Okay, let me create another for you so that it would be better understanding for you. So I'm creating another flex field, PR4. Okay, so PR4, I'm giving the structure code. PR4 flex field, chart of account structure. COA name would be COA equals to PR4. Okay, now go to the instance. PR4 accounting flex field. So this is fresh, I am making for you because yesterday it was showing the error in deployment. So today again I am going to make, and today we will deploy. You will see how to deploy the flex field. Delimiter, select whichever delimiter you want to select. Click on save, and now we can so now it has come the segment code. Okay, so the segment code would be our PR4 company, PR4 company, PR4 company. Okay. Don't give space and hyphen and all, it will show the error. Okay, or the system should select the number. Now it is not showing error, hai? Okay, so the name would be PR4 company, description same, sequence number would be 1. Yesterday we actually there if it will show in the error when we will deploy, I will show how to solve. For now I am not changing the data. We are giving sequence number 1 to our company. Let me give it 1. Short prompt, display with 30, column name, sequence. Let me search the PR, search PR4. Segment 1, sequence number 1, segment number 1 would be our company. Okay, of which flex field? Let me search code PR. PR4. So company. Okay, don't choose account. For company we are going to select the company. Click OK. What we have not given is the segment label. So segment label we are going to choose primary balancing segment for company. Okay, bring it here, save and close. Okay, create another. We have created our company. Now second, we can create department. P R PR4 department. Let the API take the name automatically. Click on here. Okay, let it be API name. Otherwise it will give error once again and again. We are not going to deploy the second. So this would be sequence number 2. Okay, so company would be sequence number 1, department would be sequence number 2, column name, this would be segment 2. Okay, so for department we always select, for the department segment we always select the cost center segment. Selected the cost center segment. The value code would be PR, let me search, PR4. Okay, so it is our department. Click on OK. So perfect. Click on save and close. So we have made another segment, department segment. Okay, create another one, that is account PR4 API will select automatically. Sequence number 3 prompt. For account we are going to select the label, that is natural account segment. Natural account segment for account. Short prompt, same, display with 30. Column name would be 3. Okay, all done. Okay, can we search here directly? PR4, search it. This is our account. Click on OK. Okay, account, all done. Save and close. After that we are going to make for project 1 PR4 project. Let API select the name automatically. This would our sequence number 4. Column name would be segment 4. project. PR4 project. So we do not have project, so we will have the future. Okay. PR4. Okay. Okay, so I'm not giving project. Okay, it's okay. Instead of project, I'll give the intercompany. One, two, three, four, five segment only. Okay, it's okay. So I am not giving it project. Instead of, I'll give the intercompany. So if you want to create a segment project, you can create the segment project. For now, I have not created the segment project. Instead of, I have skipped that and I have made the intercompany. Segment 4, intercompany, PR4 intercompany, display with segment 4, PR4, intercompany, PR4, click on search. We have intercompany, click on OK. But for intercompany, we have to choose the segment label. We have to choose the segment label, that is intercompany segment. Now one more segment I'm going to create, that is future one. Save and close. One more segment, company, department, account, intercompany. One more segment, that is future one, PR. Future one. Let the API take name automatically. Sequence number 5. Taken the 5 segment, 5 value set. No. Column name, seeded role. It is seeded there. We have to choose segment 5. But for future, we are not going to provide any label. Okay, so let it be future. Click on OK. Yeah. Yes. Okay. We have done with our flex field structure. Save and close. Done. Now we will manage the structure instance for, read this, manage structure instances for selected key field. So now we are going to manage the structure instances for key flex field. So click on it. We'll create PR4 accounting flex. So flex is for flex field. Flex. Description, structure name, PR, not PR3, PR4, this one today's, okay. This yesterday we made, okay. Making PR4 accounting flex field. See our segment code and segment value set codes, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to mark it as required. So what we will do, will select one by one and mark it at required. Department, edit, required, okay. Count, required. For intercompany segment, required. And for future, required. Click on OK. So we marked required, display yes, okay. So now the next step is, let me save and close. Now you can't use the following string or character as it conflicts with strings or character. Where it is, what I've done. Okay, ignore that. One CO is used to create one primary ledger. We have to remember this, okay. So when we are making one CO and we will apply one CO, let us see. But in the accounting flex field, we can use more than one CO. So now we are going to deploy the accounting flex field for validation. Okay, it's okay. So now when I click on save and close, it will show me since we have deployed one flex field, so it is not giving us permission to deploy the second flex field. So we will work just for the practical purpose. I have shown to make the flex field PR4 for your practical. Now we will work on PR3 accounting flex field. Okay friends, so let's move. Okay, so we are going to cancel it. Now click on done. Okay, click on done. We have already deployed one flex field, so no need of looking this flex field. So now our next task is manage charts of account value set values. I'll explain why we have to do this. PR3 will work on it. Click on this is protected module validation tab independent. Deployment status, it is not showing here. Okay, let it be. Click on manage values. So I'll give value 2000 for PR pains. MRF. Just a second. We are going to give the value to our account. We have to add the account retained earnings here. Okay, the second we will add let me see what we have given the value to the account. Okay, okay, account type. Okay, got it. Yeah, so account type, we have to select owner's equity. Then okay, so I am providing the code retained earning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then salary solution. So friend, it was showing the error because I have not selected the account type. So this account type is owner's equity, that is retained earning. Now we will select the second account. This is salaries, and this account type would be expense. I'm selecting expense, and now another account type I'm going to select is travel expense. So the code would be travel expense, and this would be also expense. So now we have given given values to our account. Okay, so travel expense would be there, salary account would be there, and retained earnings would be there. Okay, now save and close. Account we have done. Now we'll do for the company. this instance has gone, friends, or what? I think friend instance has gone. Okay. So it's okay, friends, the instance is not working. Oh, let me do once again. I think the instance has gone. Let's see, let's try. Okay, friends, then we'll continue on this, the flex field, the account flex segments, and we will set value on segments. Once again we will work on it, because again and again some error it is showing. So just wait for the next session. From starting, I'll going to explain you from the starting. Again, once again we are going to make the segments. Once again we are going to give the value set to these segments, charts of accounts, everything we are going to explain, and even new project we are going to make, so that there would be smooth functioning of the implementation. So for today, thank you so much for joining this webinar. Today we have learned how to make segments, what are the value set codes, and why segments are important, and what is charts of account. So just wait for the next webinar. Thank you so much for